Let me show you how you can create a folder in Yahoo Mail on the iPad. So if you're new here or first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the first step is, as usual, to open up the Yahoo Mail app as such, and you can browse all of your emails and everything as you would normally do. And I was kind of like looking for the folder creation page, but if we just go, for example, to the left panel, we don't really see the option right away. And you can definitely create it, of course, but the best way I think would be to just select any email you want and click on the three dots next to it. And when you click on the three dots, you have more options, but I want you to click on the move. And this asks you, this pulls up the panel at the bottom. You can move it to archive, spam, or create a new folder. So this is what you need to click on, create a new folder, and you can name the folder whatever you want. So let me just give it a very descriptive name of folder and click on save. And now the email has moved from the mail inbox to the folder, right? So as you can see, we can go there and go to the inbox at the bottom and switch to the folder in here. And now I can browse it this way. And similarly, you can also expand the inbox at the bottom and create a new folder as such. And this is basically going to do the same thing again, but you're gonna do it again through this way without having to move anything there to begin with. But yeah, so you either go to the inbox and click create a new folder, or select an email and move it to a new one. So that's how you can create it. That's basically just that. So if you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the future uploads.